I'm Branden Hudson, Director of Agent Success over here at the Maryland and Delaware Group of Long & Foster. Man, I have some exciting news. We are currently at a level we've never seen in the real estate industry. I've been brought on specifically to work on recruiting new agents and also coaching and keeping the existing new agents and even the rock star agents with the right mindset and the head in the game. And right now, this agency is crushing it like no other. We are at a capacity where we're running at a level that we've never seen, not only here, but in the industry as well. So with that being said, we have a huge opportunity out here for anyone that's looking to change their life, change their career, start a new career, and really set themselves in a position down the road of success like no other. Right now, the Maryland and Delaware Group is offering to pay for the schooling of any new applicants and any new person that is willing to follow the link below, follow the directions, and also if you are interested in doing real estate and you have any kind of reluctancy in doing this, this is the time to do it. This is the company to do it. And I'm here personally to help you get through any kind of blockages, any kind of barriers that you'd have to do that. Again, this is an opportunity that I don't think people really grasp on how important and how big it is to really take your career and your life to the next level. Branden Brittingham is looking for a specific personality to blend with our culture to give you the success and the financial freedom that you're looking for. So again, if you are looking for a new career choice, if you're looking to start real estate, right now is the time. There's no better opportunity than what we're providing right now. Follow the link below, click it, follow the directions, and please let me know.